We took the RV to Kentucky, came over here to see Louisville, and we're about 20 minutes south of Louisville right now at the KOA campground. I'm gonna take a drive through and show you the area. So you're pulling in off Highway 44. It's the first entrance. The second one is actually the exit. Make your way down here. This field over to your left is a nice little area to let the dog run. It's also close to a Dollar General. That to your right was a place to rent kayaks. These are your initial campsites to your right. And you come into the checkout area right here to your left with the office. That also has the pool. So you're checking in there. You see a playground to your right. And we're pulling in towards the left side of the park. So we're going to circle around. Shows you some different campsites. There's some dumpsters there. Tent camping down there to your right. Circling around back by the office with the pool to the right. Looking back over here to the office where you check in. And we're heading back into the park again. This time we're just going to kind of see the center. That to the right was just an area to get propane. This little spot in the center just pulls in, and there's a handful of sites just right here. I'm just turning around the dead end where these few sites are. Coming back in, looking back towards the office, and I'm going to go right. Instead of going left by the dumpster this time, I'm going to turn right and go along the outskirts of the park, heading right when you come in. So this circles around, campsites to your right, and the end of the property is over to your left. Kind of on the higher side of the park towards the middle. The playground is towards our right at this time. Kind of see it for a second there. Here's some cabins you can rent, some different size cabins you can rent. Now we're getting back here into the 300s. These are monthly rentals. So you can stay all back here monthly. One of the people told me that they are paying $5.50 a month, and there's no contract, so you can just stay as long as you like. Once you have your spot, it's yours forever. This is circling back around out of that area. That's a big cabin there. One of the larger cabins. There's another one. Pull back out, come back up to the office and the playground area. So I just pulled a U-turn. I'm heading back into that 300 area, the monthly area, and at the end of it, there's a turnoff here that goes down towards the river. So you make your way down this road. You come to the bottom and it'll T. If you turn right, it's a dead end. It's just a kind of a walking trail. If you turn left, it takes you down towards what they call the cave and the catfish area and the creek. Now, this is the catfish pond. It's all dried out right now. They said that there's no catfish left in there. I mean, there might be a couple, but there's the cave over to your left. That catfish pond is fed by the stream, I guess, and the pipe is broken right now. So they're working on fixing that so they can restock the pond. Now you come down here to the stream. This is it's called Salt River. This river runs into town. It looks pretty murky to me. Not sure if there's any fish in there, but if you rent a kayak, there's a sign that you can pull it out there. So by all means, I guess if you want to float that, you can float that. Okay, so that was driving through, checking the place out, just an overview. Right here is kind of the hangout play area, I guess. You've got a bounce deal for the kids over there. You've got a group fire pit. You've got a basketball court. You've got some different games that they do right here. These posts, if you can tell in the video, there's lights hanging on them. There's lights all over through here at night. So at night, this is all lit up. Looks pretty cool over here. Nice little spot to sit down and hang out and relax. The office being back here, over there where that white truck is, that's the main office, main check-in, little store there. And the pool is right behind it. You've got a couple different bathrooms kind of scattered throughout. Like this bathroom here, bathroom with shower, and you've got full laundry services over there in the office. So there's a couple little dog runs. This is one right up here. You can see by that Class A, there's a black fence around it. So you can literally park right next to a dog park if you wanted that spot. Or if you were over here in the main playground area, there's also a dog run over here. And this is the cave assuming. I understand it's not a cave, but more of an overhang. But this is, if you follow the sign for the cave, this is where it brings you. Not a whole lot to see, but really a peaceful walk down here. It's about a mile from our campsite to get down here. And again, here is the catfish pond. What's left. Quick view of the laundry. This is the pool. Got a playground. Looks like all this is well kept. Water's clean. Area's all clean. Landscaping is nice. The main office building. There's some tent camping over there, and it's also a really nice place to bring the dog. It's some wide open fields behind the tent camping where the dog can run. And on the other side of the field is a Dollar General, so if you want to walk over there and grab a couple things. Now after you check in, you can pull forward past the office and fill your propane tank right here to the right. Okay, so this is the outdoor area at night, the common area. Just wanted to throw this in there so you can kind of see what it might look like. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to follow us along, and more talks about PTSD, anxiety, depression, all that kind of stuff. And also more cool things to see throughout the United States, places to stay, different campgrounds, and check it out. All right, thanks for watching.